My name is Sarah O'Donnell. I'm a Scouser Cofi. I was born in Liverpool. That's me on my mum's knee. Now I live in Carnarvon, in the posh area. I have been living there for 9 months. Altogether, I've been living independently for over a year. I learned my independent living skills at Penpistic in Galderbenmain. I spent 5 months there. During my time there, I had a key worker called Paul Jenkins. He made sure what I wanted happened. Paul knew me when I was a little girl, and he was very fatherly towards me, which was good most of the time. He helped me find my new home. It's a 2-bedroom house. It has a walk-in shower and a stair lift. It's a comfy and quiet home. I'm decorating at the moment. I'm a busy girl. I don't know where I'm coming or going. I'm learning to be more of a drama queen than I already am with Spach. I also do a lot with Bernardo's, especially Julie, who runs Clubram. I've had a lot of support and a lot of encouragement. I made a lot of new friends through Clubram. I like living independently because I don't have to rely on someone all the time. It has been a good experience so far. I wouldn't change anything. People didn't thought I could do it living independently by myself. I'm glad I proved everyone wrong, and I hope there's some good things on the way.